welcome to Lego to Life. In this video, we're going to be using the Newsroom Van Lego set to create a story.
My name is Islen.
And my name is Isla.
And together we will be making stories out of Legos on our channel, Lego to Life.
Look, Mommy and Daddy, someone's cutting down a tree.
And look, it's illegal to fell a tree here.
I'll call the police. Look, the policeman's coming. He's over there, sir.
You are under arrest for illegally felling a tree.
And look, there's a news van.
Where's the man?
Over there.
Okay, great. Clara, come on!
I'm coming!
Come over here to film me, Clara. Man spotted illegally cutting down a tree by a young boy in Central Park, New York. Here is one of the young boy's parents, Melissa.
Into jail you go, where you deserve to be. I hope you die in here. Don't think I will. It's kinda dark in here. Think I'll turn on the light.